So the thing is, like, a lot of people are taking Bella's side and saying she did right to deny it. But didn't Bella do exactly what Chomzy is being accused of? Maybe she opened her mouth and went to tell Chomzy. So she started the gist. And at the end of the day, I feel like if you're going to start a rumor, own it.
No, but then Chomzy's supposed to be her girl.
And Chomzy came to her for advice about Groovy.
Exactly.
And she said, look, oh, this is what I had to. Then you now want to go and meet Groovy. Chomzy, are you in JSS3?
Yeah, the thing is, it's the Big Brother house. Everybody is playing a game. People are not your friend. People are not your boyfriend or your girlfriend.
Oh, no, let me tell you where I'm now going to tackle you. It's okay for you to say this now, Simi, but when it comes to Bella and Shegs, you say, we. Yeah. But it's okay for you to say, no, people are not your friends. Yeah. I feel like as a girl's girl, you can't do that. I mean, if you talk to your girl about something, then you take it. Why are you asking advice when you know what you are going to do is what you're going to do anyways? And then why did she not even go to Groovy to tell
Exactly.
We need to remember that these people don't know each other like that. They're still, as much, there's girl code, but that's with girls that are your girl. It's your girl that you have a code with, not some random chick on the street.
No, but Bella and Chomzy call each other best friends.
And can I also...
Would they be best friends in the next 3 months?
It doesn't matter, right? We're talking about right now.
Can I also be honest? Let me be honest. Modella, no, they do her work. Rachel, no, they do her work. So if Chomzy wants to do the work, as a viewer, I don't mind.
I feel like Bella and Shegs are like the blueprint of what a ship should actually be like this season.
I'm not against ships, but I'll say you're being too intentional about it. But then again...
Is this Bella and Shegs when you're talking about?
Yeah, Bella and Shegs.
Okay.
Sheila. Mr. Koi. Thank you. Yes, island couples. So, but we can't complain about him being too intentional because past seasons we've seen situations where we're like, oh, it's too one-sided. Oh, he's not saying his intention. I don't want to call names for the sake of peace. But I've seen ships that were like, and also recently he compared his ships with Bam Bam and said that he hasn't seen anything. Allow us to find you. Stop finding yourself.
But I want to ask you guys this. Let's break it down. And this is a very tricky question, and I just want you guys to answer from the heart. Do you think there's any ship in the house you can see right now and say this is genuine? Because a lot of triangles, squares, even the Bella and Shegs. Now look how we said it's a bit too strategic. So what exactly is going on with this season?